Welcome to today's daily message. Today, this day right after the celebration of Christmas, we observe the feast of St. Stephen, who is the first martyr for the Christian faith. And the story of St. Stephen is told in the book known as the Acts of the Apostles. Stephen is an outspoken believer, follower of Jesus. He is brought before the Sanhedrin, and they convict him of being a Christian. They take him outside the city, and he is stoned to death. And it's noteworthy to remember that a young man named Saul, who later would be Paul, sat on the sidelines and took care of the cloaks of those who were stoning St. Stephen. And so what does the story of Stephen say to us? I think there are many things. One of the most outstanding of those is the faithfulness of Stephen. Stephen remained faithful to Jesus, remained faithful to his faith in Jesus, even to the point of death. Now, none of us may ever be called upon to become martyrs for our faith, but we can remain faithful to God, to Christ, to our Christian faith, in the face of the challenges that confront us in this day and age, the cultural challenges that face us in terms of the individualism, the consumerism, all those types of things, the divisions in our culture that keep us from witnessing to our faith. What we can do is, as St. Stephen did, we can remain faithful to our Christian values of truth and dialogue and love and peacemaking. And so we see in St. Stephen someone whom we can emulate, not necessarily for a call to martyrdom, but to a call to faithfulness. Thank you so much for watching and listening today, and have a wonderful day.